Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm trying to follow the Chic Naturals hair tutorial. So she really just jumps right into this, so I'm gonna jump right into it. So we're doing this knotted hairstyle with a wig in the back. So I'm just trying to follow her lead. Clearly, I have a lot of hair, so this parting stuff is really what took me out. It was a lot of work. So we're just going to put the front section away and we're going to comb the back section. She puts it in like this little ponytail and then wraps it up. So that's what I'm going to do. So we're just pinning this back part up and then we're going to move on to the front section. So we're on the front now, and I really wish I would have practiced my parting for my hair before I just jumped right into this tutorial, because clearly she parted her hair based off of her hairline and what works for her, and I just tried to follow what she did when clearly I shouldn't have done that, because my parts didn't come out as cute and crisp as hers, but that's okay. So she's using Eco Styler gel, and I was contemplating on if I wanted to use that or edge control, but I figured since this is her tutorial, I'm just gonna follow her lead and do what she's doing. So I just went in with the gel. I didn't use as much as she did, but I really should have, because I don't feel like I penetrated all my scalp, all my hairs. Y'all could tell I'm new to this because she's already a rubber band in her hair and I'm still smoothing mine out. But yeah, we're making it work. We're getting it done. So she already beat me, but we split these two sections, and then we're just gonna twist it and wrap it around in a cute little bantu knot. Um, she didn't bobby pin or rubber band her bantu knot, so I'm not either, because if you just keep wrapping it around, it'll stay on its own and it won't like move or anything. So I'm just doing what she did. So now I'm all caught up. We're moving on to our next section. I don't know how it's just so easy for her to make these crisp parts, but it took me a couple tries. Like, y'all only see two, but it took me a minute to get this right, because I realized that I messed up with that first section. So I just kept going with it because I'm like, it's fine. It'll still be cute, right? I just really want y'all to know that this wasn't as easy as it looked. Okay, I'm gonna try this again though off camera and make sure my parts is real nice and triangular and crisp, and that I use way more gel to get that super slick look. But I think I'm doing good for my first time. You know what I'm saying? So now that we're all done with our bantu knots, she goes back in with more gel on the edges just to sleek them out. So that's what I'm doing. I'm using this little edge brush that I got from my local beauty supply store. It has a brush on one end and then a comb on the other end. But as I'm watching this, I'm really wishing I would have used that comb end, because I could have got a real cute swoop or whatever, but it's fine. We're moving on. Now to the fun part. We're taking our stocking cap and we're putting that over the back section of our hair. She has a different half wig than I purchased because I wanted to try something different. So I got this one. It's much longer than the one she has, but I like the one I had. I did think I wanted a longer wig at first, but this one's just a little too long, so I am gonna kind of fluff it out to make it look more worn because hers is a little more worn in because she's been wearing this hairstyle for a little bit. So I do fluff it out some, make it look natural, and I'm gonna cut it because it's much longer than I anticipated, and I like how short hers is. So I do go in with some scissors and I, chop it up. All right, so we made it to the end. I'm done cutting. Of course, I want to do more cutting, but this is it. This is all we're doing in this video. I had fun following her hair tutorial. If you guys want to see more like it, just let me know, and I will produce more. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.